Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I constantly have to work on drinking more water throughout the day. And let me tell you, this 40-ounce Stanley Quencher stainless steel insulated tumbler has helped me so much because it keeps my water so cold and it needs less refills. So I really have no excuses. The quality is just excellent. The straw is nice and long, and the opening on the lid holds it so nice and securely. The handle has a nice grip, and the lid goes on very smoothly. The lid also has three different positions. It has the straw opening, a drink opening, and a full cover so that things won't spill. I especially love taking this with me to the gym, and that this narrow base allows me to put it in the cup holder of my car. And it's even dishwasher safe, or sometimes I wash it by hand as well. I love the size, the quality, and I love this color of this Stanley Thirst Quencher Insulated Tumbler. And that's my point of view.